Good morning, all of you, my dear students. As you know, today we will start a new topic in our English grammar. The name of that topic is conjunction. Now, first of all, we will see what is conjunction. Now, see, my dear students, what is conjunction? Conjunctions are words that are used to connect words, phrase, or clauses, which means conjunctions are those words which are used to connect words, phrase, or clauses in a sentence. Now see afterward what should be given. Conjunction make a link between words or group of words to other part of the sentence and show a relationship between them, which means conjunction words make a link in between words, in between two words we can say, or in between two group of words to the other part of sentence, and also these words help to show a relationship in between them. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of the conjunction. What is conjunction? Now see an example. Ram and Robin are playing together. Here and is a word which belongs to that particular group, conjunction group, or we can say and is a word which is conjunction word. It helps to connect two words, Ram and Robin. So and is a conjunction word. So I think that all of you understand the definition or the explanation of conjunction with the help of an example in an easily way. Now my dear students, we will start types of conjunction. We will learn types of conjunction. Now today I want to explain first type of conjunction, which is coordinating conjunctions. Now see first of all what is coordinating conjunctions. The job of a coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases, or independent clause which are parallel in structure, which means coordinating conjunction, the word which belongs to coordinating conjunction, the work of that word is to join two words, phrases, two phrases, or independent clause in a sentence, and also which are parallel in structure. Which now see after what should be given there. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common conjunctions. If you will see the words which belong to coordinating conjunction, at that time we will find out that there are 7 types of coordinating, there are 7 type of words which belongs to coordinating conjunctions, or we can say that those words are most common conjunctions. Those words are most common conjunctions. Now see those words which belong to coordinating conjunction: and, but, for, nor, or, so, yet. These are 7 words which belongs to coordinating conjunctions. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of coordinating conjunctions in an easily way. Now see an example. First example. Now see example. First example. We went to the stadium and enjoy the cricket match. In this sentence, and is a word which belongs to coordinating conjunction. It helps to join two parts of a sentence. Now see second example. Do you want an ice cream or chocolate? In this sentence or in this example, or is a word which is belonging to coordinating conjunction. This word helps to join two words, ice cream or chocolate. In this particular sentence, the sentence is do you want an ice cream or chocolate, interrogative sign. In this sentence, or is a coordinating conjunction word, and it helps to join two different words, ice cream or chocolate. Now see third type of an example. Go away and never come back. In this sentence, and is a word which belongs to coordinating conjunction. It helps to join two phrases or two different part of a sentence. Go away is first part and never come back is second part. So this word help, which this word and which belongs to coordinating conjunction. It helps to join these two parts of a sentence: go away and never come back, full stop. So I think that all of you understand this example in an easily way. So my dear students, today I have just explained you first type of conjunction. The name of that conjunction is coordinating conjunction. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of coordinating conjunction with the help of an example in an easily way. So my dear students, first of all read it, then write it, then afterward learn it. Take care, have a nice day.